Are you guys ready?
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring, representing the Brawling Brutes from Area 51, weighing in at 260 pounds, the Captain X.
You can see exactly why the arena is full here tonight. This is a match with major stakes.
그러다 자연스레 스며들어가고 너와 나는 서로의 일상이 되었지. 내가 내딛는 걸음에 힘을 가져주었던 내 앞에 있는 날들에 바라봐준 네가 있기에 그저 이 자리에 머무르던 나에게 새로운 길이 보이게 됐어. 언제나 함께했던 나의 지나온 날처럼 너의 일상의 웃음을 피워주고 싶어. 당신의 행복이 되고 싶은 나의 꿈길 속을 걸으며 오랫동안 원한 웃음 지울 수 있게. 어제 햇살 같은 엄박 웃음을
Here we go, guys.
And his opponent from South Korea, weighing in at 247 pounds, Sunshine.
You're looking at some highly motivated competitors in this match, looking to steal the show and capture the attention of the entire WWE Universe. This match has everyone backstage buzzing. He's an exciting competitor to watch. Guys, we have a superstar that is molded to be the next big thing.
While he might be molded, he could still use a little refining. If he can harness that potential, we're looking at the next big thing.
Sure, a little rough around the edges, Corey, but there's something that comes with time and experience.
And he has his work cut out for him here, facing off against someone who feels he's been disrespected lately. Someone who's really come out here with something to prove.
All right.
Thinking about a submission here, Case.
Boston getting to the ropes and tied and forcing the break.
Taking things to the outside, but got to make sure to heed the official's count. Look at the handstand elbow drop, and now the punishment continues.
Good golly, driven directly into the steel stairs.
Dropping the elbow. He quickly slides into the ring. Wow. In control here with a swinging neck breaker.
Textbook. Evades the attack.
Caught with a lariat. Broadcast live from over 200 different arenas in over 150 cities over the years. It's not true.
Grabbing the leg, single leg, Boston crap.
Rolls through, kicks off his opponent, and he's out.
Elbow drop. The hit's starting to take their toll on him a little.
No cause for concern on his part. It's still early. Something bad is coming his way, and he has no clue.
A reversal. Well scouted. Well, he had that scouted. This can't be good.
Put down face first. Boom.
Watching, waiting, and we know exactly what he's thinking.
Middle rope, missile drop kick.
Hit the target.
Oh, that'll send a shock down your spine.
You saw that one coming.
DDT!
Fight.
Shoulders down, this could be it.
No, he kicks out.
An emphatic kick out, and there's still a lot of game left here. Ripcord. Oh my goodness, nasty line.
Hit drop.
I've been waiting to see that. Double axe handle finds the mark. Schoolboy into the pin. Rope break. Too close to the ropes.
Now just attacking the opponent's back.
Ooh.
He has to be in a world of hurt here.
Yeah, but this far into the match, you can't help but be impressed by the relative resilience.
Discus punch. Oh, man.
He didn't need that eyebrow anyway.
Never saw him coming. He is stalking, waiting for his...
Take a trip.
Playmaker. Slamming the door shut on this match.
Oh, he gets the shot right before 3.
No telling how much surviving that will cost, though.
I don't know how someone kicks out of that. I don't know how you can still be standing.
I think there is still some shock in the air over the fact that that didn't produce a pinfall.
Scoop slam sets things up.
Counters. Dropped with a discus clothesline. Heading up to the top turnbuckle.
Take him.
He fails to connect.
Super kick.
Elbow drop.
Getting up on wobbly legs, but he'll soon be put back down.
He's able to counter that.
Stumbling to his feet, he might just be rising to meet his end here.
Uh-oh, look at this. Cord buster.
No way he can withstand that.
2. Oh, kick out at 2.
Where in the world is he getting this from?
His beating heart will not be stopped.
I can see it in the eyes from here. Disbelief. Unbelievable how this one is still going on.
Big blow could be felt throughout the arena. Getting set up in the corner now. Big splash in the corner.
And he's in dire straits now, having just been completely rocked.
Yeah, and he
From the top. Right on point. Forget about it. What a takedown.
Oh, there it is, the captain's hook.
Locked in.
Pain just painted all across his face. In trouble here.
Chin lock back to his feet now, and elbow gonna create some separation. Oh, right to the gut.
Going straight for the body, doing a little more softening up of the torso area. And his body seems to be the focus of the attack. We've already seen a few blows land above the neck.
Look to the gut. Playmaker.
That can be the game clincher right there.
There's 2. Finally ends it, and all the bloodshed, perhaps worth it now.
Here is your winner, Sunshine Ray!
You cannot say they didn't give it their all and then some to achieve this victory.
The reward definitely seems greater than the risk right about now. But we'll see how they feel once they get back to the locker room and hit the showers.